If you want to turn on focused inbox on both Mac or Windows, I'm going to show you how to do that here in Outlook. So here on a Mac, you're going to go to the View dropdown up here at the top of your screen, and then you actually have a checkbox here to turn on the focused inbox. There's one other spot where you can find that if you're not seeing that there. You would go to Outlook, drop down, go to Settings. Inside of Settings, you're going to want to find the Email section and then Reading. And inside of Reading, you see Focused Inbox here. So you can check mark to sort messages into Focused and Other. So that's how you can do it on a Mac. Now on Windows, it's a little bit different. The Windows version of Outlook mimics kind of the online 365 version. So you would find your View dropdown at the top of your screen, at the top of your window. You would go into View Settings, and then you're going to find Mail and then Layout. And then you'll see Focused Inbox at the top of that. And so you can check to sort messages into Focused and Other, or to not sort your messages. And then you would save that change. And so that's similar to how the actual app works on Windows. But if we look at the actual documentation here on Microsoft, you'll see it's the same thing, right? The View dropdown, View Settings, Mail, then Layout. And so that's what you do to turn on sorting messages into Focus and Other. If you have the classic version of Outlook, Microsoft has some documentation on that. You're going to go to the View tab, and you're going to see a section here that says Show Focused Inbox if your window's big enough. So you can just check mark that to turn it on, and it will show a Focused and Other sorting method in your inbox for Outlook on Windows. And that's how you can turn on Focused Inbox in Outlook on both Windows and Mac.